Stop everything, marketer. A brand new, never-seen-before traffic and advertising platform has just launched, and it's creating shockwaves online. It's called ScaleUp, and it is making marketers redefine how they get traffic and sales. Are you ready to supercharge your sales? It takes 2 minutes and will cost you absolutely nothing. That's right. ScaleUp is 100% free. Once you join, everyone views 40 ad posts from other members. This qualifies you to earn cash rewards and earns you activity coins. The more activity coins you earn, the more your posts are seen. Members can also purchase activity coins that will allow you to get commissions on 2 levels. Plus, each week they have cash contests where the top 10 coin earners win a portion of over $2,000. You get activity coins from viewing sites and referring others. This ingenious concept makes ScaleUp the most active traffic and advertising site online. And your ad posts are shown in beautiful fashion with emojis, any image you want, and your link to your sites. You can set it to be shown to any country and edit your posts anytime you wish. And members can send messages to other members asking for more information about their programs. This is priceless. Can you believe all this is free? ScaleUp is a must-have. If you like free, if you like massive site views, if you like winning cash, if you like getting signups and sales, click below and register and make your first ad post. Remember, it's 100% free. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. Do the smart thing and scale up today.